Today you will learn how to create custom contact views in HubSpot, what you need to keep in mind when working with filters and columns, and how to keep a perfect overview over your contacts.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hi, I'm Tim, Online Marketing Manager at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we help you with everything related to HubSpot. Step 1. Creating a new view. Open the CRM area and click on Contacts. Select Add View on the far right and create New View. Now give your view a name. In our case, our example is Contacts in Munich. Now click Create. And just like that, you have got a new view that we will now customize to your needs. Step 2. Adjust the columns. Now let's set up which info you want to see in your list. In the top right, click on Edit Columns. Here you can select and deselect fields, names, emails, phone number, industry, city, etc. Whatever is important to you. For our example, we will add the field city. Once everything you need is included, click Save and you're done. Step 3. Filtering the contacts. Click on the right side on More and then Add Quick Filter. Here you can easily choose the field you want to filter by. For example, industry or city. In our example, still city, or anything that matters to you. Then pick the right value, like Munich, and HubSpot will instantly only show you the relevant contacts. If you want to get more specific, click on Advanced Filters at the top right. This lets you build custom filter logic, combine multiple conditions, or use and/or filters. Super useful if you want your view to be tailored exactly to your needs. And there you have it, a clean filtered list. Step 4. Saving your view. To finish up, click on Save View in the top right. Your view will now always be available. Step 5. Cloning an existing view. Quick tip. If you want to use an existing view as a template, just click the icon next to the Save button. Give the clone view a new name. Make some small changes, like a different filter, and save it again. Super handy. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can build your own views in HubSpot and stay super organized, whether by industry, location, or contact status. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and super hacks all about HubSpot. If you need more help and a personal consultation, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code.